spending some time on this Tiki Fire slot machine in Maple Ridge at Chance's Casino. Molly was only down 50 cents on a 1 cent denom. Oops. No, fill it up. That was a nice one.
For you.
There we go.
Yeah, perfect.
Well, that was nice on a 50-cent bet. Okay, well, I went up to 10-cent denom because I won a little bit of money there. Went down to 120 bucks. I got the free feature. Let's see if we get anything. Come on now. The minor's 500 now on this denom. Mini's 100. The major is 638. Come on, fill it up. Come on, 2 more spots. I think that was only my, free games, 1 of 6, so I still got some spins coming too. Okay. Another bonus would be nice, or a retrigger. That's what we need. We need the Tikis. 3 more games. Last one. That wasn't too bad. 138.50. Okay, I went down to 191.64. Got again the hold-in feature. Oh, I seen the minor go by. Wouldn't that be nice? 500 bucks. Oh, come on now. Oh, that was it. $100. Back up a little bit. 291. I don't really want to videotape because I'm not sure if I know or if I'm even allowed to do that in here. Okay, well, if I get something, I'll put it in. Hopefully I don't go down too much below 200 in the next one. Well, I was hoping not to go down under 200, so I went down to 224, and I got the 3 volcanoes for free spins. It'd be nice to get these Tiki torches. Oh, there's a good one. Maybe I'm gonna listen to it. I like these multipliers. 10-cent denom. It's like $2.50 a bet. It'd be nice to get the major. That's nice. That was a good hit, and that was 2 of 6 games. Oh, I still got four to go. Nice hit, eh, Wayne? Look. Just keep going. The machine's broken. Oh, bonus in the bonus would be nice too. And 2 more games left. Well, that was it. Not too bad. $3.59. Well, here we go again. Went down to $2.78. Got the hold and spin feature. See what happens. I drop a minor. Come on now. That'd be so nice. Come on. A ball with a word. I haven't had one yet. Seen the mini. No, that's it. Well, a little bit more. Wayne's doing good behind me. He's on Ginga Khan. There we go. 436. Nice. All right, I went down to 402. I got the 3 volcanoes again. Still on 10-cent denom. There's those Tikis. I hear Wayne getting his machine again too. That was 4 out of 6, so we have 2 more games. So let's see if we can even get that that bonus in the bonus here. $50 already. $70. Come on. Oh, I got blockers. Not too bad. $9.25. Okay, we got the 6 balls. Come on, let's land a minor. Even a mini. Come on. And the major. Come on. Another 57.50 added. Nice. Well, we'll see what we go down to, and I don't want to go down too far, but this is nice, winning a little bit of money today. I am on a roll out here in Maple Ridge today. We're at Chances Casino. Went down to 486, 10 cent denom, 250 at press. Oh. One last game. This one doesn't look too good. Oh, next time. All right, we got the hold and spin feature, still 10 cent denom, 250 at press. I went all the way down to 325, but I got the mini for 100. Oh, thank God we're getting our money back now. Let's go get that miner now. There we go. 557. All right, we went down to 550. Still 10 cent denom. Got the hold and spin. Now we're looking for that miner. At least the minis finally came out. Oh, I just seen it flashing. Nope, that was it. Another 32.50. I think that other game just said it. We're on fire. Okay, went down to 565. Got the balls. Let's get that miner. Come on, miner, even the major. Come on. One more. Oh, we saved it. Come on. Yeah, let's fill it up, Buttercup. Oh. Well, a little bit more to the pot. $47.50. Pretty good. This is fun. Okay, well, I went down to 524. I got the feature, the 3 volcanoes. Let's see, come on. There we go. Bonus in the bonus. Let's go get that miner. Oh, come on. Oh, I seen the major flicker by. Come on now. And maybe another mini. Two more. $57.50. Oh yeah, we're in the game still. I like, whoa, look at this one. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. Wayne, look at this one. Wow. Wow, look at that screen. Holy shit balls. I thought we were just gonna, I thought we were just gonna go out and play a little bit and have a little bit of fun, but I didn't think it was gonna end up like this. Holy shit, Wayne. Holy crap. Woo. Holy shit. That's almost like getting the major, Wayne. It's almost like getting the major there. Holy crap. Oh, call attendant. Is it really? Do I have to call attendant? Oh God, I gotta call attendant now. I guess it's lower here. Okay, well I guess I gotta wait for the attendant. Woohoo! Well, I just got my little hand pay of $650. I went down to $4.99. And again, I got the hold and spin feature still on 10-cent denom. But look at that big ball. Oh my God, this game is on fire. Another one. Oh my God. Come on, we're gonna get the minor or maybe another mini or, oh my God. That major is still at $6.45. Come on. One more. And three more. Let's go. Come on. Oh, this is exciting today. Good one. Look at this money. Holy shit. Oh my God, it was almost another hand pay, Wayne. Look at that, $420. This is crazy. I'm off work this week. We just had a nice long weekend with the girls. Maybe now I can pay off that bill that I had at the hotel. Look at that, $919. Well, let's go down. Well, let's take home $800 if we can do this. Okay, we're still sitting here. Got the 3 volcanoes. Get a bonus in the bonus. There are a lot of tikis here. There we go. There's some more money. Well, I can't really sing it, but this is a good day. And I think it's only like just after 2 o'clock in the PM. 20 bucks. A couple more. Three more games. Not too bad. Another 137 or 130 bucks. That went down to 882. And free spins. Come on. Tikis. Little bit. Little bit. Okay, let's make up for that last one that I just had. Come on. Whoa, that was close, Wayne. He's next door playing the Heartthrob. One more is not doing as good as the last ones before. Okay, let's do this. Let's get that miner. It's been trying to come out. And Wayne's got the free games over there. Try to do both of ours. Laundry trigger. Bit better, 85 bucks. I was feeling generous to Wayne. I gave him 100 bucks so he can push big bets. Maybe he'll be lucky. But I got the hold and spin feature. Let's see, come on. I'm still waiting for that miner to show up. Oh, you got a miner. That's what I want over here, 500 bucks. Come on, that'd be nice. Seen the miner flicker. Nice, another 80 bucks. Said to Wayne, we gotta break this bank in Maple Ridge. Okay, 3 volcanoes. Oh, come on now. Oh boy. Oh, there's some butterflies. Little bit. Some of them aren't so good, but we gotta try. Oh, I'm gonna give Wayne another 100 bucks. because I got another hold and spin and I don't want to go home yet. Come on. Fill them up, Buttercup. Some big ones. Another mini. Oh yeah, minor. I know they're in there. Come on. Oh, I just seen it go by. Jeez. Oh, I seen a mini go by too. Come on. Oh, I got the mini. Woohoo! One more. Let's fill it up. Oh my God, can you imagine? $21,000. And we're in Canada, and we don't have to spend any taxes on it. There we go. I try 5 cents on yours and see if it's better. I'm just lucky on this one. You never know what that sweet spot is in these games. So I got another 212 bucks. Wow, this is fun. Okay, went down. Well, look at this. I didn't really go down, but I got the hold and spin feature here. Still at the 10-cent denom. Wayne got the bonus, but he just went out for a smoke. Another mini or a minor, come on. I know you guys are in there. Come on. One more. Oh, keep on going. Yeah. Come on. Another 70 bucks. This is exciting. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, I thought I was gonna get the volcanoes right away. All right. If anything happens, I'll put it in. And that was it for this video. That was Tiki Fire. It was on fire today. That was the best session I think I've ever played on one. So I ended up cashing in my $1,000 Tito and plus my $650 little hand pay that I got. So yes, I'd have to say I had some fun and I got very lucky today. Thanks for watching.